Click Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FFHL. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to do the 15-minute time frame as I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Going back to the whole story thing, the interesting thing here is that this, the stock was just totally dead. I mean, this was the start of the day back here, and then you can just see dead, 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 dead. And then my guess would be some sort of news or something came out right here around 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And whatever happened, the market liked it, or the market thinks something's going to happen. Like I said, I don't know what's happening, and I don't really care what happened. I just, the chart is telling me that something happened, and what that thing happening was, the market apparently liked because the price absolutely skyrocketed. So this all happened very late day. That's where the majority of this volume came in. So want to get a few things updated here in terms of supports and resistances. First level of support and the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $3.25, that would be the best case scenario. That is essentially where these lows kind of all establish themselves right here. So certainly going forward, staying above there would be the best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below $3.25, not going to say that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would be the ideal situation. Next level of support after that, I'm going to call right there at $2.80. And then from the big picture perspective, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I totally realize this line is way down here. The closing price was way up there, so it's irrelevant at this point. But keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And, the very simplistic way to look at this is as long as the price remains above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. So how do I measure the health of the move? Is this move truly healthy? That's a very logical question. Well, just keep an eye on the purple line. And as long as the price is above there, then that implies that the bulls are in full health and full control, like I said. What about levels of resistance? At this point, this is quite straightforward. And that's just right up there where the party stopped today at $4.50. You can see essentially on two different occasions, I suppose, right there. Didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree. Got well within the range up here of $4.50. So that's going to be, the key overall level of resistance. But no doubt about it, very, very crazy afternoon for this one. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So while if that sounds like it could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.